Good morning, happy homeowners. All right, Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors, over in Huntington Beach, refinishing this beautiful Brazilian cherry. Guys are inside already sanding, got almost all of it done. We're close, but the edges are still unfinished. I want you to see how dark the Brazilian cherry, will turn over the next several years. What it looks like when it's freshly sanded, and then on the edges where we haven't sanded, you'll be able to see how dark it's going to end up being. You're going to hear the machines. Ignore that. Let's go in here and take a look. So there it is, right off the bat. Look at that. And you got your dark. It's going to end up darkening like that, and it starts out beautiful. Like it's beautiful from start to finish. Look at that. And the more we're going to sand this probably another 6 times. And as the paper gets more fine, the grain and the character of the wood just shows up better and better. But look at this. Amazing, amazing. It's Christmas week. All the guys are here. No one calls in sick on Christmas week. They're waiting for that bonus. All right, guys. Any questions, reach out to us. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? Just let me know. Enjoy it. Merry Christmas, everybody.